Hi, today we're going to build decorative plant stands. I'm going to use all material I have laying around the shop. Here is going to be the sides. It's pine board. I'm going to glue two pieces together because I need 7 by 10 and I only have 5.5 inch boards, so got to glue those together. These are the top ledge, 4 of those, 15.5 inches. 4 legs, that's 20 inches. And the side supports are 12 inches. You need 8 of them, 2 per side. Let's get all the pieces cut here. This is just regular deck board, pressurized. This is cutting the pine board that I had. Rip everything to size. Okay, I got to join these together, so I need a flat edge. So I'll run them through the joiner planer. Okay, time to glue. Using waterproof glue because it needs to go outside. Can never use enough, but you don't want to put too much because it'll get sloppy. Do 2 of these at once. I want to clamp them so that they lay flat before I tighten up the ends. One more, tighten everything up. Okay, they're dry now. I'm going to use the joiner planer to bevel the 45-degree edge because I'm too lazy to set the table saw up. And this is much easier. Now I'm going to just draw the pattern for the legs. I have one done already, so I'm just going to use that as a template. Cut them out on the bandsaw. Going to cut all the 45-degree angles that I need. 28 cuts, I believe. Every joint is a 45 degree. Okay, here the sander is going to take away the marks that the bandsaw left in it. Make it nice and smooth. It's the only part that will get sanded on this project. Okay, we're going to use the router for a nice decorative edge, just round it. Okay, the laser engraver. This is actual speed. I do it outside because it's very smoky and it sets the fire alarm off. It takes about 6 minutes to draw this pussycat on this board. Okay, now we're time to assemble. Use a lot of glue. It's hard to put something together when it's all 45-degree angles like this. So I'm going to glue it up and I'm going to nail it in place before I clamp it. Okay, clamp it in. Nice and tight. Throw a few extra nails in before I let it sit about an hour to dry. Okay, forgot to put the camera on, so we'll watch the final two sides get put on here. There you go. That's the top, and there's the base, and there it is. The top's nailed onto the base. The next step is to put a spar urethane finish on it. And there you go, the final product.